What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Delta Smartphone Holder XL. I know that a lot of people buy custom phone holders for them to like hold on to when they're riding the bike or they're just, cruising, or they have it in their car. Basically this is actually for bicycles. We're looking at Delta Smartphone Holder XL, holds plus size phones with thin covers up to 7 inches diagonal. Easy instant device removal. So here it is. I know that there's another one. Delta has two versions of these. They have the XL, and then they have I can't remember it, but it's supposed to be, I think, plus. I can't recall that. It's not on the top of my mind. It's 5 in the morning. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. As you know me, I tend to always like be one of those people that I try not to open things. Like I try to make them clean, just in case. Um, there's a lot of like cell phone holders, but I know that some of them don't hold up too well, and that's a major problem because you don't want your phone flying off when you're cruising your bike, or you're running errands on the bike and then your phone just flies out of nowhere, especially in rocky places. So um this is why I wanted to give this specific case a chance and give my honest review. And as always, um feel free to comment, like, let us know an update, and I'll reply to you guys, who is ever actually interested. So as we open the box, as you can see, it's really sealed, great quality they use. I like the cardboard paper here, little plastic here, and yeah, we're about to take it out. So here is the case itself, and it doesn't have really nothing else. It smells like carton, obviously. So we're gonna keep the box here. Here we have it. And this is the case itself right here, as you can see. Um, this looks pretty. Let me see how I'd open it. Okay. Oh, so it locks into that. Okay, I guess this is a key holder. Loosen it. Oh, okay, that's to lock it. Gotcha. Yeah, so this lever right here, it's supposed to lock it. Um, I did hear some reviews about this breaking off, this little plastic here. It all depends, like I said. This looks like it's kind of plastic in a way. Um, I don't know. We're about to find out if it works. So, so I know. Oh, okay, this. Okay, yeah, this is to help hold it. Oh, this is to help keeping it from to lock it in. So I see the mechanism that they have here. Whoa, what's this? Oh, okay. This is a string. I was about to say, dude, like, oh, I was like, oh, so this is what makes it stretch. All right, yeah, it makes sense. I was like, dude, like, I was about to say, like, whoa, like, they have it. So I do like the string here. This feels like it'll last a while, depending on kind of string they use. I don't want one day to just pop out, but that's kind of cool. I don't know if Delta manually sells this just in case it breaks off. But I don't think we should have any problem breaking off. Either way, they do have warranty on it. And it's sealed on tight, so I don't think it's gonna pop off unless you literally mess with it. So that's what we're looking at so far. I like the little grips here that prevents the phone from bumps. There's really no protection on this part right here. I know with their bonus one, the one that costs $20 more, they have like extra bumpers to secure your phone. So we have that too. So let's try out the phone itself. All right, so here I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Um, Pro Max with body glove case. Huge shout out to Body Glove. It's actually been holding pretty well. The only thing is the lint right here, but as long as it protects the phone, I'm kind of satisfied with it. Plus, I really like the back finish. That kind of shows off the color without sacrifice. Body Glove, thank you for sending me this in to review. So, let's just do this again real quick. So this will open up this way. So we're gonna go ahead and let's just slide it up. Oh, okay. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. Oh man. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna fit, man. It's too big in a way. I might have to get the other one, man. This. Oh no, wait. No, yeah, I'm probably gonna have to get the other one. This is. way too big. Unless it fits it by miracle, but I don't want to force it. That's the, oh, dude, it actually fits. Wait a second, but this right here is what I'm worried about. Okay, so, oh yeah, never mind. Well, yeah, this is squeezing the case. So, but let me see. Let me double check in. Yeah, this is in a way, as you can see right here, it is squeezing the case a little bit. Overall, the bottom is perfect. As you can see from the bottom part, it locks it in. I love that. Just this part right here, the top, it's kind of squeezing the case. I don't know if that will have effect in the future, but let me see. Unless I have it in the plastic, but I mean, I'm worried about the plastic breaking rather than the rubber. But overall, the bottom here, guys, it's pretty excellent. I like that. They give you good space. Um, I mean, this is meant to be without the phone case, but so far this looks pretty good. The only problem, like I said, it secures it on lock, like it's pretty weird. However, yeah, it's kind of a bit too big. Like it's supposed to be on there, but I understand what they're trying to do. But let me see if I could stretch it a little more. Maybe it needs to sit flat. No, nope. That's it, guys. So overall, this is a great. It's pretty good. I like it. Now, I don't think we. Yeah, it has to be this way because it can't be the other way. The Delta. And plus, look, it gives you a chance to charge your phone on there. But I don't think you want to charge your phone for that for now. But overall, yeah, it looks pretty good. It comes with more material inside. What else does it have? Oh, it has the tools to install it. But we're not gonna worry about that. It just basically has the tools to install it when you actually start installing it in the ride. But I'm not gonna bother opening it because I actually wanted to check. Oh, this is already open. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so it's the basic tools that you get, so you can attach it to your mountain bike, and here it is. So, yeah. So, without worrying about this, um, yeah, overall, I love the bottom of it. Now it's kind of heavy, or maybe my phone's heavy, but I have a feeling that with this right here, it might affect it. And yeah, I'm worried about this part right here. This is the main part I'm worried about because it looks like it's squeezing it, but then on this side, it doesn't look like it's squeezing at all. So this is the only part that's probably squeezing. Let me try again to see if it sits low. Nah, man, I think it's on there. It's like this part is sacrificing this part instead of messing it up. It doesn't look like it's gonna go anywhere, so that's what I like about this case. Like it doesn't look like it's gonna fall, but with the weight of this, I feel like this might snap off. In case you're riding, so I'd have to probably put it right here, and then I lock the case so it doesn't go anywhere. To loose, and this is to lock, so it won't go anywhere. Yeah. So overall, this is a pretty good case, but I think I'm gonna have to get the extra one, an extra size one, because yeah, this seems like, oh man, but it sits really good, guys. Right here, it sits perfect, exactly how I want it to. However, this very top is where it kind of squeezes the case from the very top, so that plays a big factor because when I install it and it's gonna be going up and down, it's gonna do like a wear and tear over time, and we don't want that because then eventually it's gonna mess up the case or any other cases, etc. Almost like playing a PSP. So, but yeah, guys, this was the Delta smartphone holder XL. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to settle for the other smartphone holder XL because oh yeah, here we have it where you have two options. Right here, that's the where is it? The rubber inserts, basically. Oh, yeah. And well, you don't really need the sound booster. So it gives you two options. You can put it on the right. I wouldn't recommend that if your phone is heavy. I would rather put it here by this little area where the middle of the bike. That way you'll have like a more sturdy because it's like literally on there. So yeah. Also, they have the Delta guarantee. So you know if anything goes wrong, well they'll do the best to help solve the problem. Which might be, like I said, this locking mechanism right here is probably what's gonna affect the like. That's what this is what I'm really worried about. This looks like acrylic. Not I don't want to say plastic because this shell is meant to withstand and all that. So yeah, like I said, this is my review. I think I'm probably gonna have to settle for the other Delta, or the Delta. I forgot basically it was a bigger extra one. But yeah, like I said, I love the bottom. I love how it looks. I like this smoke color. I love how it sits nice and firm right here. It's not squeezing too much. I mean over here it's gonna squeeze obviously, and as you can see, it's not squeezing the top left. It's not squeezing at all, but instead it's squeezing on this side because it's kind of a sacrifice. Let's see how far we can stretch it. No, it still squeezes it because that one little layer makes a big difference. Plus, I think that's the maximum it could squeeze. Yeah, otherwise a rubber band. And like I said, after a while, it might squeeze it even more. So you can see right there, it's squeezing it pretty bad and it's going to leave a gap. But yeah, guys, overall, like I said, I think if this is good, and in a way, it's probably my phone that makes it heavy. But yeah, this is the Delta Smartphone Holder XL once again. If you do have a smaller phone, then you shouldn't have any problems. It should sit nice and firm. And other than that, let me know if you have any questions. I'll get back to you with the smartphone holder double. I forgot what it's called. It's bothering me so much. But yeah, it's an additional $20, and it's basically the same thing, but it's made for bulkier phones. So if you know which one it is, please leave a comment below. Otherwise, either way, I'm going to find it and I'm going to order it and I'm going to review it. So yeah, guys, once again, this is a Delta Smart Folder XL. If you have a phone smaller than this, then you should be good. Any other questions? Let me know. Let's see how much this can withstand. Peace.